My name is Gregory Parenteau, and I'll be presenting on the wireless mouse design based on an energy coil system. First off, I'd like to start off with a little overview. What I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to start with my introduction, move into what gave me this motivation behind this thesis. I'll give you a little bit of background about it, the methods I went through, and of course the development process and the struggles I had there. And finally, I'll go into the results and the future work I'd like to do in this field. We'll start off with the backbone of this presentation, mutual inductance. So as you'll see here, mutual inductance is a magnetic flux that's created in one inductive coil, and it couples into a nearby coil. So as you'll see here, the current from I1 is going to come into L1, the coil, induce this coil, which in turn is going to couple with L2 right here, this coil, and it's going to cause a voltage to come out of this. Now this is the basis for my project because what I need to do is create a wireless power supply. I need to get voltage from this coil system to my mouse in order for it to work. A little bit further into mutual inductance, show you a little equation right here. So what this equation is saying is there's a time varying current, which is shown right here, that allows for this induction to happen. Moving a little further, got a little bit of a picture presentation here. As you'll see, it shows the changing magnetic field, which produces an electric current in the loop. As you'll see, the magnet right here is going into this. It's causing current to come out. Same thing for here, and this one is the last one. I didn't do that one, but it involves a switch. Moving on from here, my motivation. Why did I do this? So initially, it turned out to be a really dumb thing, but I started off, I was working on my computer one day, my mouse died. Battery was dead. Oh no, what do I do? No batteries in my cabinet. I'm kind of out of luck there, so had to go to the store and get batteries. So it made me think, I wonder if there's an easier way to power this mouse without actually using a battery or a wire directly connected to my computer. So I started doing research on it, and I found these two designs which weren't already working with a mouse, but it was a similar basis. They were able to power light bulbs, and of course they were both done by MIT. So figure one here shows their initial design, which featured a coil that could transmit power through this large distance. But one of the downfalls was the coil is pretty big, if you see here. It's about 2 feet. Can't exactly put that on my desk. As you'll see in this one right here, they condensed it a little bit, but by doing that, they lost the distance. The distance significantly decreased, but the coils also decreased, so it's a little bit more feasible. So